Welcome to the video lecture series on chemical process plant design and economics. Myself, Jaimin Pandya, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department of LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's continue with the chapter depreciation. So in this lecture, we'll calculate various numerical which based on straight line method for calculation of depreciation and decline balance method for calculation of depreciation. In statement given that the original value of piece of equipment is 11 lakh completely installed and ready for the use. Its salvage value is estimated to be 1 lakh and end of the service life estimate to be 10 years. Determine the assets or book value for the equipment at end of the fifth year using straight line method or textbook decline balance method. So in statement given that there is one equipment which cost is 11 lakh rupees and salvage value for that equipment is 10 lakh rupees. The service life for that equipment is 10 year and have to determine the book value of the equipment at end of the fifth year using straight line method and textbook decline balance method. Textbook decline balance method which means decline balance method. So let's calculate this numerical. So let's calculate this numerical. In numerical, given that the piece of equipment is 11 lakh rupees and completely installed and ready for the use. Salvage value for that equipment is 1 lakh rupees and end of the service life estimate to be 10 years. So we have to determine the depreciation using straight line method and textbook decline balance method. So let's first write given data for this numerical. In statement given that the original price of equipment that represented by the V and which is 11 lakh rupees. Then in statement given that salvage value that represented by VS and salvage value for the this equipment which is 1 lakh rupees and service life for the equipment which is represented by small n and which is 10 year. And we have to calculate the assets value at fifth year of using that equipment. So let's first find out the depreciation using straight line method. Then we are going to find the depreciation using textbook decline balance method. So let's first find depreciation using straight line method or can say that SL method. For SL method, depreciation that can be given by D is equal to V minus Vs upon N. So D, which means depreciation, is equal to V, which is original value of equipment, which is 11 lakh rupees. So let's write this 11 lakh rupees minus salvage value, which is 1 lakh rupees upon service life of that equipment, which is 10 year. So calculating this term, we will get 10 lakhs upon 10 which will give 1 lakh rupees. So this is a depreciation for each year for that particular equipment. Now let's find the asset value from this straight line method. Asset value or can say that book value. So what is meaning of book value? Book value which means original value minus depreciation till the date. So we have to find out the depreciation at fifth year. So let's consider the depreciation or can say that book value which is represented by V5 is equal to V minus A into D, where A is a year of that particular equipment in which we have to find out depreciation. So V5 is equal to V, which is 11 lakh rupees original cost of equipment, minus A, which is 5. For fifth year we are going to find depreciation and depreciation value which is 1 lakh rupees. So calculating this term, we will get assets value or book value at fifth year for that equipment is 6 lakhs rupees. So this 6 lakhs rupees at end of the fifth year. So this is a book value or value of that particular equipment at 5th year. Now let's find out the depreciation using the decline balance method. So let's first write decline balance method. Decline balance method, which also known as a DB method. For decline balance method, first we have to find out the fixed percentage that can be represented by the small f, and that can be given by 1 minus Vs upon V whole raised to 1 upon n. So f is equal to 1 minus Vs, which means salvage value. Salvage value of this equipment is 1 lakh rupees upon original cost, which is 11 lakh rupees, whole raised to 1 upon n. N, which means service life of equipment, which is a 10 year. So calculating this term, we will get f is equal to 0.2132. So can say that f is equal to 21.32 percentage, which we are going to fix for each year. So this becomes our step 1 for the decline balance method. Now let's find decline balance method for the step 2, or can say that step 2 for this decline balance method, in which we have to find out the book value or assets value. Book value and asset value both are same. So let's find that book value. That can be given by VA is equal to V into A minus F upon A. This is equation for book value for the decline balance method. So VA is equal to 11 lakhs, which is our original cost. So this V becomes our original cost. In the bracket 1 minus F, value of F is find in previous section, which is a 0.2132. So let's write this 0.2132 whole raised to 5, which is the number of years which we are going to find depreciation for that year. If I want to find the depreciation for the 8 years, then I have to replace this A with 8. If I want to find out the depreciation for the 9th year, then this A is replaced by the 9. So I am going to find the depreciation for the 5th year. That's why here write 5th. By calculating this term, we will get depreciation by decline balance method, which is a 3,31,662.479 rupees. So this becomes asset value for the 5th year using decline balance method. Now let's calculate one more example. In this numerical, given that the original value of heat exchanger is 6 lakhs at end of the use life of 10 years, its salvage value is estimated to be 60,000. Determine the asset value of heat exchanger at end of the 5th year using straight line method and textbook decline balance method. So we have to determine the asset value of heat exchanger at end of the 5th year. Original value of heat exchanger, which is 6 lakh rupees. Service life for this heat exchanger, which is 10 years, and salvage value for this heat exchanger, which is 60,000. So let's calculate this numerical. So in the statement given that original value of heat exchanger is 6 lakhs rupees at the end of use of 10 years, its salvage value is estimated to be 60,000. Determine the asset value, or can say that book value of that heat exchanger at 5th year using straight line method and textbook decline balance method. For straight line method, depreciation that can be given by D is equal to V minus Vs upon N. This is our step 1. In step 1, we have to find out the depreciation. In step 2, we have to find out asset value or book value. So D is equal to V minus Vs upon N. V, which means original cost of equipment, original cost of heat exchanger, which is 6 lakhs rupees, minus salvage value of that equipment, salvage value of equipment which is 60,000 upon service life of this heat exchanger which is 10 years. By calculating this term, we will get D is equal to 54,000 rupees. So you can say that each year 54,000 deduct from original cost, or can say that original value of heat exchanger. Now let's find out the assets value. So it becomes our step 2. In step 2, we are going to find out the asset value or book value that can be given by VA is equal to V minus A into D. A stands for the number of years in which we are going to find the asset value. So in statement given that we have to find out the asset value at the fifth year. So it becomes V5 is equal to original cost which is 6 lakhs minus particular year which is 5 years multiplied by depreciation value which 5,400. So calculating about term we will get V5 is equal to 3 lakhs 30,000 rupees for this equipment at end of the 5th year. Now let's calculate the depreciation using decline balance method, or can say that DB method. For decline balance method, we have to first find out the factor that can be given by F is equal to 1 minus Vs upon V whole raised to 1 upon N. So F is equal to 1 minus Vs, which means salvage value of heat exchanger, which is 60,000, which given in statement. Then V stand for the original value of equipment, which is 6 lakhs rupees, whole raised to 1 upon N, which means service life of that equipment or heat exchanger, which is a 10 year. By calculating this term, we will get F is equal to 0.2056. Now calculate the book value, which becomes our step 2 and step 1, in which we are going to find out the factor. So in DB method, first we have to find out the factor. Using this factor can easily find out the book value, or can say that asset value. So what is equation for the asset value or book value? Equation for the book value that can be given by VA is equal to V1 minus F whole raised to A. We are going to find out the value of that asset at 5th year. That's why V5 is equal to 6 lakhs 1 minus factor F that can be given by 0.2056 whole raised to A, which is a 5. By calculating this term, we will get V5 is equal to 189736. So can say that 1,89,736.65. So this is the value of heat exchanger at end of the 5th year by DB method. So it becomes our answer. Using straight line method, at end of the 5th year, heat exchanger value is at 3,30,000, where in decline balance method, value of heat exchanger is 1,89,736.65. So this is all about the straight line balance method and decline balance method. So this is all about today's lecture. I am completing my lecture here. Thank you.